Jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack, but luckily the seat.
Let's learn this new trending dance. Remember, one of the funnest thing about trending dances is you get to bring your style and your personality so you can change it in different ways, whatever works for you. Here we go. At the beginning, we're turning on the camera. You're doing whatever you want. You just got to get to clapping for it's about damn time. So whatever you want to do till then. And then it goes, my money don't jiggle jiggle. And we got bend the knee opposite arm, bend the knee opposite arm. My money don't jiggle jiggle. And then it folds. Any kind of folding thing. It folds or it folds or go all the way down. Then they go and like to, what's the words?
Like to wiggle.
It likes to wiggle wiggle? Okay, likes to wiggle wiggle for sure. And you can go crazy with that, whatever you want. I did this. Da-da-la-la. And then it went dribble dribble. So then we got to do a dribble dribble. And I like when they have a head nod. But people do all sorts of dribble dribble for sure. And then we got to do the driving the car. Duh. Da-na-na-na-na. Other people do the duh, da-na-na-na-na. Then we've got 6 feet. So I like the side and the 6 feet. But anything, 6 feet and then a short thing. 6 feet and then down and then get off the screen. I like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air move. Get off the screen, but you can do whatever you want. Get off the screen. Okay, enjoy.